Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone in iOS 17. Sometimes you might have a tough time getting Wi-Fi to work correctly on your iPhone. Despite being connected, websites or apps might not load. At times, it even becomes impossible for your device to join a Wi-Fi network. Thankfully, we have come up with some possible solution to fix the Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone running iOS 17. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check the router. The first step is to ensure that you are within the wireless router range and the things are correct on this end. After this, then you have to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and then reconnect it. Simply go to the control center and then turn off your Wi-Fi and then reconnect it back. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is simply enable the aeroplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. After trying this step, then move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your iPhone. This is an effective fix for solving several iPhone network problems. When you restart the device, the RAM is cleared, broken tasks are reset, misbehaving apps get a fresh start, and more. As a result, temporary problems get addressed. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then go to the general, scroll down and then go to the shutdown your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin it. You have to go to the settings, then go to Wi-Fi. First of all, tap on the network, copy the password of your network, copy it, tap on forget this network, simply tap on forget, disable your Wi-Fi, enable it back, and then tap on your network, paste your password, tap on join and done. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Software update may fix these type of issues. You have to open the general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.3.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset network settings. This will delete all the network settings on your iPhones like saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth devices, VPN configurations and restore them to default. However, personal data like photos, videos, contacts, apps won't be affected. To do this, you have to simply open the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.